Welcome back to TBRD. This week on the vlog, I'm going to be announcing my very first channel giveaway in recognition of my 500 subscribers. Well, hopefully we're at 500 subscribers by the time this video posts. I want to say I'm at 497 now, so we'll see if we get there. But if not, we're close enough. So I want to recognize those of you who've been so supportive of my time on YouTube, and I'm going to shout out some really wonderful channels of some folks who have supported me during my time on YouTube and are also doing wonderful work. So before we get into all that, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I'd ask that you consider hitting that notification bell and subscribe button. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. This one is all about you all who have been super supportive. So the giveaway, I figured 500 subscribers. We'll keep everything about the fives. We're going to recognize 5 wonderful channels today and give away a GoPro external microphone adapter, new in box. If that's something you're interested in, all you got to do is leave me a comment in the video, and at the end of your comment put GoPro, and I'll know that that's something you're interested in. And then next week during the vlog, I will announce who was the winner of that prize. I'll get hooked up with you, and we'll get that shipped out to wherever your location might be. Just a token of my appreciation and thanks for your support of the channel. So speaking of support of the channel, I want to give a few shout outs to some really great channels. I'm going to start out with Rev Views. Again, all of these channels will be linked in the description below. So Rev Views is a really fantastic channel. If you haven't checked it out, get over there and take a look. He is doing fantastic work, has a lot of really wonderful content on his channel, all sorts of reviews, really high quality stuff. He's always prompt to respond to you, shows a lot of support to your channel. Just a great guy, great channel. I really think that so many people on YouTube are underappreciated for the amount of good content they're putting out, and it's super helpful to people like me, and I hope that my channel has been helpful for some others. So if you haven't checked out Rev Views, that's my first shout out. Go and give them a look. Secondly, Chopper Fett, another wonderful channel. Chopper Fett is a great dude. He's got fantastic content, does some live streams, but the content is just fantastic. And if you've checked out his recent stuff, you'll know that he is potentially in the market for a new motorcycle. And what a joy it's been for me motovlogging and kind of getting to be a part of this community and knowing some other channels and folks, and living vicariously through the excitement of bike shopping, which I feel like there's no better time than when you're shopping for a new vehicle. And Chopper Fett's taking a look at 2 Ducatis possibly, and a really nice Kawasaki 900. I hope he goes with the Diavel, but I'm partial. I kind of have got some Ducati ownership in my blood, and I really like Ducati, although I've owned Kawasaki too. I think they're all wonderful bikes. I just think that Diavel is just a fantastic machine, and it's going to be a switch from what he's been used to riding, so I hope he gets a chance to ride all those. But anyways, I'm rambling. If you haven't checked out his channel, go do it. It's linked below. Next channel I'd like to recognize, Easy Rider Greg. Easy Rider Greg has shown me a ton of support. He's got a lot of really fantastic content over on his channel, including some awesome drone footage, which every time I look at these vlogs with drone footage, I think, I definitely need to justify spending a couple $100 more and get me one of those drones. Down the road, I guess. I've spent a lot of money this year, so I think I've done my part to stimulate the economy. But anyways, Easy Rider Greg, check out his channel. A lot of great content. The guy's always super supportive of everything, so thank you. And you know, if you're watching my channel, get over there and take a look at his. I'd appreciate it because he's been so supportive of the work that I'm doing here. The next channel I'd like to recognize is Dyna Rider 91. Dyna Rider 91, I'm thinking him and I are going to have a collab coming out late winter, early spring, so more details to come on that. A lot of great content over there with a focus on safe riding and responsible riding, and anyone who's putting content out there about safe and responsible riding is certainly someone that I want to support, and I think that the subscribers on this channel would like to support as well. A relatively newer channel that I think hopefully deserves a few more subscriptions than it already has. So if you haven't checked it out, get over there and check it out. Make sure to leave them some feedback. Let's see, lastly, where do we want to go with this last one? Tampa Bay Customs, a really fun and fantastic channel if you haven't checked it out. These guys, they've got live streams weekly, but their content is just, it's aces. There's so much cool stuff on that channel. Everything they do is a lot of fun. Especially really like the mini bike races they've got going on down there, just the different things they're putting together. So if you haven't checked those guys out, I know they would greatly appreciate it, and I want to thank them for all the support they've shown me on this channel since I started. And speaking of since I started this channel back in mid-July, and when I did, I just kind of wanted to I wanted another outlet that aligned with my riding, and I thought vlogging looked really cool. I've always been into filming and wanted to learn more about editing, and so far I feel like I've met all those goals. As far as channel growth goals go, I don't know if I had a ton of goals when I started. I just kind of wanted to feel this thing out and see where it went, do it for fun, do it as a hobby, really add something positive to the space, and I hope that I'm doing that. I feel like I am with the people who are following the channel. That's been really rewarding, and my intention is to keep putting out content weekly. Hope that it's useful, hope that it's fun. Always going to engage with you all, so I encourage you to leave me a comment. I'll make sure to get back to you. And if you're interested in that giveaway, that GoPro external mic adapter, just make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Leave me a comment on the video, and at the end of the comment, put GoPro. I know that'll tell me that this is something you're interested in, and I will announce the winner in the next video, and then I'll get the deets from them, and I'll get that shipped out. Alright, here we go. A little salty, cold weather riding fun. Alright, well that's going to do it for today. Thank you all again to all of my, hopefully by the time this posts, 500 or more subscribers. Your support's been greatly appreciated. This has been a fun journey so far, and I'm looking forward to continuing it. Until next time, as I like to say, keep the throttle back, the rubber down, enjoy the ride.